Hello, this is Group 212 Screencast. In this, we'll be demonstrating how to solve the number type sorting problem. So, take for example, we have a list, and in this list there is numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 7, okay? Short and simple just for this example, okay? So, the way we thought about going through this was we started off with even numbers, okay? So we'd have even numbers as they are the easiest, okay? So you iterate over the list and sort in place the even numbers to the beginning of the list. And remember the index position of the last even number, okay? So I'll explain that now in a second. So we go through this list, we say, okay, so is 2 even? Yes, it is. So for now, let's just say we're going to put a box over the evens and circles over the odds, okay? So here we go. 4, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, and yeah, 7 is odd, sorry. Right? And then any numbers that we have that are even, we bring them over, right? So now our list now consists of 2, 4, 3, 5, 5, 7. Okay, right. So after we do that, what do we do now? Right. So let's go and see. We sort out the odd composite numbers now. Okay, so we iterate over the rest of the list. Now remember I mentioned the index position. Okay, this means the position of each number. Now computers start counting at 0. So the index position of this 2 here is 0. This 3 is now 1, 4 is 2, 5 is 3, and so on and so forth. Right? And the last even number in this list is 4, which is at position 1. So that means we have to iterate over this part of the list as this part is sorted. Okay. Right. So now we iterate over the rest of the list and check if a number is not prime and is odd. Okay. Now there's not going to be very many of them because there are a lot of prime numbers that are odd. Okay. So let's just clear this. Okay. So we had 2, 4, 3, 5, 5, 7. Okay. So remember the list starts here and we iterate over this side of the list. Okay, so is 3 odd? Yes, but is it prime? Yes. So we're going to put a square over this one. Okay, square over the primes and circles over the evens. Right. This is even, but it is not prime. Okay, this is even, but it is not prime. This is even and it is prime. Okay, so now we move this over here and we move this over here, right? So now the list consists of 2, 4, right? So here is the here's the even. Okay, now we'll continue on. 5, 5. And here is the odd. And lastly, 7. And here is the prime. Now, if you've noticed, we sorted the evens out manually, we sorted out the odds manually, and everything from here onwards to the end of the list, well, in here it's only 1, is all of our primes. Sorry, I did forget 3. But there you go. So that is our sorted list right here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.